Hello everybody, welcome to Buddha Bowl Part 3, Cook for Your Wife. This is Robert. So we're going to make the dressing. This video is all about the dressing that we're going to put on top of our Buddha Bowls. So, here we go, okay? So we're going to put half a cup. I doubled the recipe. Of course, in the video, the directions and the recipe will be in the description. But we have half a cup of lime juice. We have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have 2 tablespoons of honey. Yum yum, right? Okay, get that mixed out of there. One more. Oh yeah. Get that mixed up. Make sure that honey comes out of there. Okay, then we got 4 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Okay. Whoops, making a big old racket. Now we're going to whip this as best we can without flinging it everywhere. It'll look kind of chunky. Have no fear. You're like, ooh, that's dressing. So you're going to get it all incorporated really well. And that peanut butter all breaks up and gets mixed in with everything. Okay. It's going to be really, really runny. A little chunky, but that's all right. It'll fix here in a second. Then you got the sesame oil and the olive oil, and you're going to pour that in there. 2 tablespoons of each, and you're going to start mixing that around, and your dressing will get nice and creamy. Just keep mixing it until it's nice and creamy, and you're good. You're good to go. Like I said, the ingredients and the directions will be in the description of each of the videos. This is part 3, just making the dressing for the top. All right, you guys have a good one. I hope you enjoy the Buddha Bowl. Thank you.